This video will cover the EMTEK Keypad lever lock set installation. This product comes either left or right-handed, so check and make sure to see which application you need for your door before ordering the product. You will need your installation and programming guide, safety goggles, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a level.
Fasten the strike plate using two 3/4 inch wood screws. Fasten the latch using two 3/4 inch wood screws. Make sure your latch is facing in the right direction. Remove the screws from the inside trim plate. Make sure the thumb turn is in the horizontal locked position. Remove the inside chassis from the trim plate before installing the outside trim. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Installing the outside trim plate assembly. While holding the outside trim plate assembly, press the plastic extender into the end of the spindle shaft. The shaft is properly aligned when the marking top can be seen from an overhead view. Position the outside trim plate assembly through the borehole. Feed the wire harness through the borehole as you fit the plastic extender through the latch. Installing the inside chassis. Make sure the cam link is in the correct position during the installation. Align the chassis with the spindle and guide pins. As you're doing this, feed the wire harness through the inside chassis. Fasten the inside chassis using the supplied machine screws. Check the alignment before fully tightening the screws. Connect the wire harness A with the connectors B. Nestle the wire harness behind the plastic and the cord. Install the 9-volt battery. You will hear a beep when the battery is connected. For optimal performance, always use a good quality battery. Installing the inside trim plate. Locate the user code on the inside of the trim plate and on the inside of your installation and programming guide. Make sure the thumb turn is in the horizontal lock position before proceeding to fasten the inside trim plate using the two supplied flathead machine screws. Congratulations! Your lock is now ready to use.